When you fall into self-doubt, have you ever asked yourself, do I really have the ability to do it? This problem plagues many people, whether in the face of challenges in work, feelings, or life. Self-doubt makes us stagnate, but often ignores the power we already have. Overcoming self-doubt does not require a huge change, but to find the true power from the bottom of your heart and learn to reconcile with yourself. Your potential is far beyond your imagination, as long as you are willing to accept and believe in yourself. Each of us has infinite potential in our hearts, and self-doubt is the shadow that covers this potential. Self-doubt is not substantial. It is just a mixture of past experiences, emotions, and fear of the unknown. Buddhist wisdom tells us that these obstacles are not eternal. As long as we can perceive our hearts, we can transcend these fleeting shadows. True self-confidence comes from inner calmness and wisdom, not external evaluation or results. When you can observe calmly and gradually let go of your self-criticism, you will find that self-confidence never leaves. The wisdom of Buddhism emphasizes the importance of awareness. When we perceive our inner doubts, we have the opportunity to transform it. Self-doubt is like a fog, covering our true nature and making it impossible for us to see our own strength. However, as long as you can see through this fog, you can find that self-confidence is a part of the inner essence. It is innate and does not require the recognition of the outside world. Many people choose to criticize themselves more harshly in the face of self-doubt, thinking that this can make them stronger. However, excessive self-criticism will only deepen inner doubts and uneasiness. It is the starting point to truly have strength to accept yourself and no longer demand perfection. When you can treat yourself with compassion, doubt will no longer be your shackles, but an opportunity for your growth. Self-confidence is not an external state, but an inner calm. When you are no longer disturbed by the outside world and can maintain inner peace, confidence will naturally emerge. This kind of self-confidence is gentle and stable, and will not be shaken by changes in the outside world. Your inner strength is like running water, quietly nourishing your heart, just waiting for you to explore. When you learn to talk to yourself and accept all your feelings, true self-confidence will be restarted. When facing challenges, self-doubt often becomes the biggest obstacle. However, the challenge is not to stop us, but to show our own potential. Every difficulty is an opportunity for us to grow, as long as we are willing to face them. We can choose to retreat or accept challenges and believe that we can surpass the status quo. Difficulties are temporary, and what can really overcome these difficulties is inner strength and wisdom. When we can calm down and observe ourselves, we will find that self-doubt is just a short thought. These thoughts are like floating clouds, covering the light in our hearts, but they are not eternal. When you can go deep inside, through meditation and reflection, doubts will gradually dissipate, and the light and strength in your heart will naturally appear. True power comes from inner peace, not from the outside. The root of self-doubt is our dissatisfaction and criticism of ourselves. However, real growth comes from compassion and acceptance for ourselves. Being gentle to yourself is the first step to overcome self-doubt. When you can treat yourself with compassion, you will find that self-confidence is no longer out of reach, but your innate quality. Every time you choose to forgive yourself, it is the moment when confidence returns to your heart.